fix no sound on YouTube. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be discussing about how you can easily fix if you are facing no sound on your YouTube, either on Windows 10 or 11. This works for both of your operating system. So first thing, simply head over to your settings, or you can just click on this speaker icon over here, and first step is just make sure it's not muted, just like this. Just make sure it's unmuted. So, and if possible, just make sure it's highest on the possible. So once you do that, second step, what you can do is just click on your search, and once you're inside your search, just search in for, and once you search in for SNDVOL, so just click on open the application, just like this. So it will open this interface where you will have to make sure this is highest and possible and not unmuted. So what it does is it confirms your media, whatever you are playing on your browser, on your particular browser, it is at its highest under the volume section. So once you do that, now just head over to your profile and click on your YouTube section, and once you're inside here, let's say I'm playing a particular video. So let's say I'm playing this particular video over here. You can also mute the video by clicking on here. So just make sure it's not muted from over here as well. So once you confirm all of those things, your issue for sound not coming on YouTube should be fixed. So I hope this video was helpful, guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.